Hi all, welcome to Life School. Today's subject is how to declutter your mind and streamline your life. Let's begin then. Do you ever find yourself swamped with your thoughts, like a messy room full of chaos, tension, and lists as long as your arm? If that's the case with you, don't worry, you're not the only one. Today we're jumping into decluttering your mind and streamlining your life, so you can breathe more deeply, think more clearly, and live more on purpose. Step 1. Write it down. Your brain is not designed to be a storage facility. Get out a journal or open a note-taking app and do a mental dump. Write down everything that's bothering you, from tasks and concerns to miscellaneous thoughts. Just getting it out of your head gives you instant clarity. Step 2. Cut digital noise. Endless scrolling, constant notifications, and information overload keep your mind on high alert. Set boundaries, turn off unnecessary alerts, set screen time limits, and schedule digital detoxes, even if just for an hour a day. Step 3. Create space for stillness. In the silence, we reconnect with ourselves. Take a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness. Whether meditation, slow breathing, or a peaceful walk, stillness is where clarity resides. Step 4. Prioritize what matters. When everything seems urgent, nothing gets accomplished. Select your top 3 priorities for the day. Prioritize meaningful progress rather than busy work. Simplifying your schedule simplifies your mind. Step 5. Clean up your physical space. Your outer world mirrors your inner world. Clean the clutter from around you, even tiny spaces such as your desk or closet. A clean space grants your mind permission to breathe. Step 6. Say no without guilt. Mental clutter tends to stem from overcommitment. Guard your peace. Master saying no to what leeches so you can say yes to what completes you. Step 7. Focus on gratitude. A messy mind tends to linger over what's lacking. Gratitude brings your focus to what's available. 3 things you're grateful for each day. Simple, powerful, grounding. Mind decluttering is not a one-time thing. It's a practice. One step at a time, one breath at a time, you can make room for peace, clarity, and purpose. Simplify, breathe, begin again. Subscribe for additional mindful living advice.